What is up? What is up, Zero Child Gaming back here with another video. And today I'm going to be showing you guys all of the cars that are in my remote control garage area. So first we got the most expensive, 25 miles per hour at max. Well, we have the hood pit right there. Goes right on there. That's the motor. Do not touch my top because it burned my fingers multiple times. I'm still trying to fix this car over here. It does have hood pins. I'm just, I don't know where they are. Oh, there they are. Next we got this one. We got a drifting Bugatti. Right now I don't have the drifting tires on there. And I forgot where this is. We got a small version and a big version of this car. That is under repair because it's missing wheels. We'll go for right over here. We got ATV. It doesn't go straight, but it doesn't turn. Well, it does turn, but it's really hard. Plus, it leads this way, but not it just only moves diagonally in one way. And then we got our slow dump truck, which is effective, but it's super slow. And this part goes up and down, and yeah. Those are all the cars up